Okay, so without further ado, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Avdesh Saxena. I'm author of this book called Friendly Agent. And what I did was, I went and interviewed some of the top insurance agents and thought leaders in this space. And I was trying to figure out, what are the secrets behind building a multi-million-dollar insurance agency. And I've collated their thoughts and secrets and kind of a roadmap which anybody can use. So if you have not already read this book, I'll strongly recommend you. I'm sure you'll learn something from their journey. Now, going ahead, I've been talking to a lot of agents in last few years, and some of the major challenges which agents share is first, like how to move beyond referrals and generate consistent leads. So first, if you're generating referrals, it's a very good sign. You are doing good. People are liking what you're doing and all. But at the same time, it's not consistent and it's not scalable. It's very difficult to generate leads on a consistent basis in a large scale. And people are looking for some kind of a way to achieve that. Another challenge which agents are facing is getting through all the noise online and getting people's attention. People are distracted on multiple social media channels and doing hundreds of things. So getting their attention and time is very difficult. Previously, agents used to like to talk to people over phone and spend time, but now it's hard to get that. And finally, how do you rise above a lot of agencies around you and compete with both local and online competition? You might have seen a lot of insurtech startups have come up recently, and at the same time, a lot of carriers are going direct. So it creates a challenge, which agents are trying to address. So in this webinar or masterclass, I'll try to share how you can use Facebook and Instagram ads as your kind of weapons to address these challenges. Now, what are big players doing? So as I told you, right, when I interviewed those big agencies and agency owners, I found that they are, as a first step, running marketing campaigns which are generating leads on a consistent manner. Some of them are spending maybe $250,000, $500,000, $1 million. I mean, depending on the size of their agency. And you already know that carriers are spending it billions of dollars to get attention from their customers. So having a marketing campaign which generate consistent leads, that's very critical in today's world. Now, today the strategy which I'll share, it has kind of a three-part to it, or three steps to it. So as a step one, we run a branding campaign where we try to reach maximum number of people with cheapest amount of cheapest cost or more cost-effective manner. And then in those branding campaigns, we test different messages and find out which message is working good. And finally, once we are able to figure out which message is good, we create a lead generation campaign. Now, both branding campaign and lead generation campaigns are run in a different manner. And I'm going to discuss that with you coming shortly. When I started playing golf, I was terrible at it. I'll swing my club and I'll swing it for maybe 5 times and hit ball 1 or 2 times, and it'll hardly go anywhere. And then I started taking lesson from one of the instructor and learn some of the strategies or tricks or tips, whatever you say. And slowly I was starting to get better at it. Now, same thing is true with anything, and especially these Facebook and Instagram ads. Many times I've seen that, agents, they will try running ads. Maybe they'll run for a few days or a week. It will not perform as they expected. And then, they'll get disheartened and, stop running ads. And I always hear from agents that, Facebook ads don't work. Uh, and, especially for insurance. Uh, and, today I'm going to share one of the case study where we generated leads, for Medicare, where, audience is, 65 plus year. Um, and there we are able to get huge amount of success. So, if it can work for that audience, then definitely you can make it work for any line of business which you may be targeting. And let's see how it's done. So as I mentioned, step one, branding campaign. Now, when you are creating a Facebook ad, and if you want to reach maximum number of people with minimum amount of cost, which of these objective, will you use? I'll just give you a few seconds to think about it. And again, please feel free to drop it in the chat, whatever you're thinking. So there are awareness, consideration, conversion objective with, different kind of options under it. So the answer is that first, for branding campaign, we are going to use traffic. This one, the first in the consideration, traffic as a mechanism, as a campaign objective. And second thing which we are going to do, and this is a major hack, is when you're creating this campaign, you'll get an option to select when you get charged. So there you select link click. So what it means is you will be charged only when somebody is clicking on your ad, and you are not getting charged just for showing your ad, which is, kind of, it's called impression based charging. And by default, it will be, CPM, or you'll be charged for impressions. So this is a, important hack which you should be using. So, you are getting charged only when people are clicking on it, and it will help you in identifying which ads are working better compared to other based on the clicks, and you are able to minimize the cost. And second thing which you want to do is, again, it does not contain everything in the ad, but we had agents picture here, complete name, their even license number, address, everything. So what this ad was doing was that people are able to identify with that agent, that okay, he or she lives near me, and those kind of things. So brand is also getting built, and if people are clicking on these ads and going to website or whatever, right, so then it's showing that yes, they are really interested. Now, objective of these branding ad is not to generate lead, but to find the right message which works. But at the same time, if you are able to generate leads, then I mean that's uh, kind of icing on top. Now let me show you a real result, from our campaign. This is a screenshot from our what is a Facebook Ads Manager, and you can see here in under result, we got 91 clicks, and if you look under amount, it's for almost $70. So less than $1, we are able to get clicks here, and it has reached 9,500 people, like almost 10,000 people. And impression, what it means is that sometimes same folks might see ad multiple times. So that's why you see it, one person, if he or she is seeing ads 3 times, so that's what the impression means. But unique users, almost 10,000 people we are able to reach for $70. Now just think about this metric. Where else can you reach 10,000 people in this kind of cost? I know many people, they send postcards or mails or different mechanism they use. Now if you're using even say 50 cents per a mailer, then it will cost you almost $5,000 to reach 10,000 people, right? And even in any kind of scenario you see, whether you're sponsoring some event, like how many people are coming and how much you're spending in that. So this is a very cost effective way. And so we ran multiple, not only this one, multiple. And in this one, we got the most amount of clicks. And then we decided that, yes, this is the right campaign, which we can use for lead generation. Now, testing messages. So first, how do you find out, what is the right message when you're creating these branding ads, right? You have to come up with different messaging and see which one is working. So one option is you can go to Facebook ads library. I have a screenshot here. You just Google Facebook ads library and you find this page. And here you can search for different ads which are running on Facebook. You can search for home insurance, car insurance, or all different kind of things. And when I was running Medicare ad, like, I went there here and see, I was able to see, what are the different ads being run. And you don't need to copy them, but you can take inspiration and modify them according to you. So as I mentioned, right, you should put your own branding, name, picture if you want to, phone number, address, those kind of things, plus the wordings, which you can take inspiration from here. And you can test which of these are working. If you like 2-3 different kind of ad messaging, you can test which one is getting more clicks. So that's one way. Second way is keyword research. So, finding out what people are actually searching in Google. And this is very important or useful, because in Google, when people are searching, so they are actually looking for a pain point. And if you are able to use that in your ads, then it will help you in getting a better conversion. So you can use tools like Google Keyword Finder or SEMrush. These are tools which you can use for keyword research, and see what are the keywords people are typing in. So again, like, for Medicare, it will show, what are people actually typing, like Medicare plan, compare Medicare plans, and all those things. Now, what we also did here was that, we ran Google ads to find out what people are searching for. So when we ran Google ads, in keyword themes, we entered all these keywords which we found in our research, and we ran these ads. And when we went to the report, which this generates, we found out what actually people are searching. And so the first result is kind of not relevant, Medicare phone number. And, we should have kept it under the negative keyword themes, if you see in this screenshot, so that, Google does not show it to your audience. So, we wasted some money initially there, but again, we changed that. But the best part, if you see here, is we found that people are looking for Medicare dental coverage. And, we received 4 clicks for just $11, like, under what you say, $3 per click kind of a thing here. And this gave us a good insight that people are looking for Medicare dental coverage. And then we modified our ad in such a way to address this concern. Now just imagine, like, you are having a knee pain, and you're searching for someone who can solve that. And you see an ad which is specially, related to knee pain. And you see another ad which is talking about, general pain. Okay, come to us, we'll solve all your pain. Which one will you go to? I mean, definitely you'll go to the ad which is talking specially about knee pain, and, try to interact with them. Same here, when we ran ad with the dental coverage, people, they came, and when they came to agent, agent was able to sell, complete Medicare coverage as well, answer their question, and those kind of things. And secondly, right, in this case, since the cost per lead is so cheap in Google as well, you can also run Google ads. Um, so that's also a benefit. Generally in insurance, getting this kind of a cheap keyword is difficult. Um, in some of the cases, it's very high, like $30 to $50 per click. But again, like, if you look at these numbers, these Google numbers and Facebook numbers, they're way better than leads which a lot of agents buy from outside, which are generally garbage. And that's another challenge which I've seen. Agents will buy leads for whatever, $20, $40 per lead, and that company which is selling lead, they will sell same lead to 30 other agents, and then each of them is fighting and calling customer, and customer is also getting annoyed. But here you can generate unique leads by yourself, by using this strategy. Now final step is lead generation ad. So how do you create a lead generation ad, and what is different here? So if you see here, again, there are different campaign objectives. And one more thing, I'd just like to highlight, when you select a particular campaign objective, right, Google has a different algorithm for each of these objective which it runs and show your ads accordingly. So, that's why it's very important to choose the right objective and it'll determine your conversion. Now here, again, it's very easy to identify here. You will use lead generation as your campaign objective when you're generating lead generation ads. Now, let's look at the results. I mean, real results. Again, it's a screenshot from our Facebook ad manager, which we received for a lead generation campaign. So again, as I told you, we targeted this dental problem which people were asking for, and we had a corresponding image, headline, and ad copy and everything in place. Now if you see here, we spent around $117 and we got more than 183 interest. It's less than $1 cost which we had for these kind of results. Now if you see here, reach is little less compared to what we received in branding campaign, but it doesn't matter to us because here we are generating leads. And one more thing I want to highlight is in lead generation campaign, instead of sending people to our website directly, we use Facebook's lead form. So when you're creating ad, it will ask you, how do you want to capture lead? And you should select Facebook lead form. And there, what will happen is when your potential customers are clicking on the ad, that Facebook form will open up, and it'll pre-fill their name, phone number, email, everything, and they just have to click and submit that. And as soon as they submit it, it'll take them to a next page where you can put your link or make sure people go to your website or wherever you want them to go. In our case, we also send people to chatbot. In our branding ad, sometimes we send it to chatbot, which helps us in qualifying leads as well. You can send them to website as well. But if you look here, right, the lead generation ad, this step where you're capturing customers' phone number, email, and name, that's very powerful, because now you can call them back, you can SMS them, or you can email, have a follow-up sequence. You can nurture those leads and convert them. Now, second benefit is, many times I've seen people, they will run ad and send customers to website. So in branding ad, that's fine. But when you do it for lead generation, the problem is people will go to your website and they may not fill anything. So you might send 100 people to your website and maybe just 20 people or 10 people are filling your form or whatever you have on website or code form. But here you are upfront capturing their details and then sending them to wherever you want them to do or go. So that's why these lead generation ads are very powerful. um, Now we have a bonus for you at the end of this presentation, so I'll request you to wait for it, and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed with that. Now this is the high level strategy, and I mean, you have kind of three options with you related to Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or whatever, right? Growing your agency. The first is like, do nothing. I mean, don't use these avenues or options which are available. Or, you can try to figure out things yourself. Uh, it may take some time, but again, that's a good thing to do, trying to figure out how to run Facebook ads or Instagram ads or even Google ads for that matter. Or third option is you can join Friendly Agent Pro, where you can learn strategies which actually works. Now you may be wondering, what is Friendly Agent Pro? So Friendly Agent Pro, it's an exclusive membership community for growth-minded insurance agents and agency owners, where we unpack secrets behind scaling up an insurance agency. So when you join Friendly Agent Pro, during first 2-3 months, we have something called Build a Campaign Challenge, where you will build your marketing campaigns in initial 2-3 months. We'll share all your strategies, go in depth with the concepts which you can use to create your own ads and run them. We also have office hours on a regular basis, where you can ask questions, get feedback on the ads which you're running, what you're doing wrong, and things like that. And you have a supportive community. So as they say, right, you are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. So you get to work with people who are really smart or trying to do things. And secondly, this Friendly Agent Pro will provide you all the latest in marketing strategies and in insurance agency side in general. So today, I don't know how many of you are doing this, but Clubhouse, that's very hot. You can easily go there and start engaging people, build following. Instagram reels, that is also very hot. If you put something as a reels, they get 10-20 times more views than anything you post on Instagram. So the marketing is changing and evolving very frequently. And again, what we are, so this community or membership will help you in being one step ahead of everybody else, whether it's your other agencies as a competition or startups and even carriers for that matter. So that's the benefit of this community. um, Now, I mean, let's talk about the bonus which I mentioned earlier. So again, so for people who have signed up for this webinar and joined, so we have a special bonus offer where we are giving $250 off on our annual plan, and for that you have to use coupon code FRIEND. You can also join our monthly plan. It's only for $79 per month if you want to try it out. And our annual plan generally is $59 per month. But with this discount, it'll almost be just $38 per month, and you pay annually. So, this bonus is available only till next Friday. And again, like we have a closed membership. It's not open all the time for people to join. Once it's get closed next week, then we are going to open it. I don't know when. And again, pricing will not be same. Pricing is going to increase as the just the current pricing. And now second thing what happened is, like, we had a kind of founding member launch last month, and people came back and asked that we need some more help. We also need somebody who can create those ads for us, like the add content, headline, main content, and those kind of templates they can provide. So we offered those people one plan which we call as done for you plan. I mean, we created based on their feedback actually. So this plan, here you pay $450 per month, uh, but you get ads which are created by us. um, and so for example, if you are in Medicare business, we will share you this exact ad which we ran, and you can use it for yourself and start getting results. Again, results may vary a little bit based on your geography and certain factors, but we have these high performing ads which you can use, and you can configure it in your own Facebook uh, page and or ad account and get those results. uh, Again, here also we have one offer going on where if you pay for 3 months, then you get 1 month free. So it's buy 3 get 1 free kind of an offer. And if you join now, this offer will continue for you. So after 4 months, if you continue, same thing will be applied. So again, like based on where you are, and what you're looking for, these are two options for you. And in done for you, you get the Friendly Agent Pro also included. So you will have all the lessons and different modules. So as I mentioned, initial 2-3 months we focus on campaigns, but then we will focus on other things. Again, based on your feedback, whatever you are struggling with, because once you start generating leads, you get different kind of problems. Then you will like to kind of qualify them better. You'll like to retarget them, nurture those leads over a long period of time. And even in Friendly Agent, people read my mail for years, and then they come to talk to us or sign up for our products. So one agent who signed up our this Friendly Agent Pro plan during during the founding member launch, he was reading my mails for 3 years, and I talked to him also 3 years back, and I mean, then he joined us. So it's very important not only to capture leads. So out of the 100 leads which you will get, maybe 10-20 will convert upfront. But if you nurture remaining those 80-90 leads, then you are going to reap a lot of benefits. And in this membership, we cover all these concepts month over month. Um, so you will improve certain aspects of your agency, and over a period of time, you'll see these benefits coming to you.